Well, welcome to today's mind-bending quiz. Before we start, tell me in the comments where you're watching from and how many questions you think you'll get right. You'll get 3 options for each question, but only one is correct, so listen closely. And don't forget, there's a bonus question at the end where you have to comment your answer. Ready? Let's jump into Question 1. What is the longest bone in the human body? A. Humerus. B. Femur. C. Tibia. Lock in your answer. The correct answer is B. Femur. If you got that right, great start. Your biology basics are on point. Question 2. What was the first MTV video? A. Thriller. B. Video Killed the Radio Star. C. Bohemian Rhapsody. Got your pick? The correct answer is B. Video Killed the Radio Star. Nice job if you knew that one. Your pop culture history is impressive. Question 3. Which animal has fingerprints that can confuse crime scene investigators? A. Chimpanzee. B. Koala. C. Raccoon. Choose carefully. The correct answer is B. Koala. If you nailed that, your weird animal facts game is strong. Question 4. Which creature can sleep for up to 3 years? A. Brown bear. B. Snail. C. Desert tortoise. What's your guess? The correct answer is B. Snail. Great job if you got that. Clearly you're not sleeping on these facts. Next up, question 5. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Gallium. B. Mercury. C. Bromine. Lock in A, B, or C. The correct answer is B. Mercury. If you answered correctly, your science memory is sharp. What? Question 6. What did ancient Romans use to clean clothes? A. Crushed seashells. B. Human urine. C. Wood ash. Pick your answer. The correct answer is B. Human urine. Disgusting but true. If you got that, your history knowledge is oddly impressive. Question 7. What is the average color of the universe? A. Deep charcoal. B. Cosmic latte. C. Soft violet. What do you think it is? The correct answer is B. Cosmic latte. If you got that, you've got some serious cosmic IQ. Question 8. What device measures body weight at home? A. Speedometer. B. Thermometer. C. Bathroom scale. Choose your answer. The correct answer is C. Bathroom scale. Easy one, right? If you got it, you're still on track. Question 9. What do the words silver, month, orange, and purple share? A. Double consonants. B. No rhyming words. C. Colors or elements. Think it through. The correct answer is B. No rhyming words in English. If you got that, your language brain is sharp. Question 10. How much does a tight necktie reduce brain blood flow? A. 2.5%. B. 7.5%. C. 15%. What's your guess? The correct answer is B. 7.5%. Nice work if you got it. Your instincts are on point. Question 11. Which freezes faster, hot or cold water? A. Hot. B. Slower boil. C. Same evaporation. Lock in your choice. The correct answer is A. Hot. That's called the Mpemba effect. If you knew that, you're thinking ahead of the curve. Question 12. If you were to uncoil all the DNA in your body, how far would it reach? A. Earth to Moon. B. Sun to Pluto and back. C. Diameter of the Milky Way. Take your best shot. The correct answer is B, from the sun to Pluto and back, several times. If you landed that, your science guessing game is elite. Onward to question 13. Question 13. What is the phenomenon of seeing faces in objects? A. Synesthesia. B. Pareidolia. C. Prosopagnosia. Decide now. The correct answer is B. Pareidolia. If you got that, you're probably seeing faces everywhere and naming the phenomenon correctly. Question 14. Which creature can perfectly regenerate its heart, brain, and limbs? A. Axolotl. B. Starfish. C. Komodo dragon. Choose A, B, or C. The correct answer is A. Axolotl. If you knew that, your creature knowledge is next level. Question 15. What was the original purpose of bubble wrap? A. 3D wallpaper. B. Fragile packaging. C. Greenhouse insulation. Lock in your answer. The correct answer is A. 3D wallpaper. If you got it, you've got a good nose for weird inventions. Question 16. Which food was once sold as medicine for diarrhea and indigestion? A. Coca-Cola. B. Tomato ketchup. C. Mustard. What's your choice? The correct answer is B. Tomato ketchup. If you nailed that, your food history game is strong. Question 17. Why were graham crackers originally invented? A. Cure sugar cravings. B. Suppress sexual desire. C. Help infants grow teeth. Pick A, B, or C. The correct answer is B. To suppress sexual desire. If you knew that, your historical trivia is wild. Question 18. What is the expensive luxury fabric made from clam beards? A. Sea silk. B. Pearl velvet. C. Ocean satin. Lock in your answer. The correct answer is A. Sea silk. Great job if you got that. You've got fancy taste. Next up. Question 19. Which fruit has more sugar per gram than a strawberry? A. Watermelon. B. Lemon. C. Peach. Choose wisely. The correct answer is C. Peach. If you answered correctly, your fruit facts are sweet. Question 20. What was the first item scanned by a barcode? A. Loaf of bread. B. Wrigley's gum. C. Bottle of milk. Make your selection. The correct answer is B. Wrigley's gum. Nice one if you got it. Your tech history is solid. Question 21. Which conqueror was attacked by bunnies? A. Genghis Khan. B. Alexander the Great. C. Napoleon Bonaparte. What's your guess? The correct answer is C. Napoleon Bonaparte. If you knew that, your history knowledge is both accurate and hilarious. Question 22. What did 16th century Europeans eat to cure ailments? A. Gold dust. B. Mummies. C. Shark teeth. Lock in your answer. The correct answer is B. Mummies. If you got it, your dark history knowledge is impressive and slightly disturbing. Question 23. What was the Great Emu War purpose? A. Protect rare birds. B. Cull crop destroying birds. C. Sporting competition. Pick A, B, or C. The correct answer is B. To cull crop destroying birds. If you got that, you know your weird history headlines. Question 24. How much did the first 5 megabyte hard drive weigh? A. 50 pounds. B. Over 2,000 pounds. C. 10 pounds. What's your choice? The correct answer is B. Over 2,000 pounds. If you knew that, you really get how far tech has come. Question 25. What is the official national animal of Scotland? A. Loch Ness monster. B. Unicorn. C. Highland cow. Lock in your answer. The correct answer is B, unicorn. If you nailed that, your mythology and geography knowledge is on fire. Question 26. What would happen to you instantly on Venus? A, freeze solid. B, crushed by pressure. C, float into space. Choose carefully. The correct answer is B, you'd be crushed by pressure. If you got that right, your space survival instincts are sharp. Question 27. What is the most common element in the entire human body? A, carbon. B, hydrogen. C, oxygen. Pick your answer. The correct answer is C, oxygen. If you nailed it, your basic chemistry is locked in. Question 28. What is the most dangerous thing to do with a desert cactus? A, sit in its shade. B, drink its fluid. C, use its needles. Lock it in. The correct answer is B, drink its fluid. If you knew that, your survival instincts are strong. Question 29. What would happen if you fell into lava? A, sink. B, float. C, turn to steam. What's your answer? The correct answer is B, float. If you got it, your physics and nightmare fuel are both strong. Question 30. In the deep ocean, what color do most red objects appear to be? A, bright white. B, pitch black. C, neon blue. Choose A, B, or C. The correct answer is B, pitch black. If you finished strong here, you've got serious deep-sea trivia skills. Bonus question. What is the only fruit with external seeds? A, raspberry. B, strawberry. C, blackberry. I'm not revealing this one here. Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to tell me your total score out of 30. Let's see who really paid attention. Nice work making it all the way to the end of the quiz. Tell me in the comments, how many did you get right, and did any of these facts totally blow your mind? If this quiz taught you something new, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss the next challenge. Thanks for watching, and get ready. Your next quiz is coming soon.